Tingsang Taytay Leho, my name is Mary Jane M. Colonna, 37 years old from Isabela, Philippines. I am a single parent. I have two daughters, 20 years old and 16 years old. My highest education attempt is high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, cooking, dancing, and hiking. And I am a pet lover. I have one dog and one cat. My expertise are taking care child and elderly. I was work also as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years. From August 17, 2021 to August 17, 2023. I served one couple and one child, age 2 years old. I was work also as domestic helper in Muscat, Oman for 2 years. From November 28, 2016 to December 27, 2018. I served one couple, 3 child, age of 21 years old boy and 15 years old girl, 2 years old boy. I was work also as domestic helper in Doha, Qatar to November 26, 2014 to February 7, 2015. I served one couple, 2 child, 20 years old girl and 15 years old boy. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly. Cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, and marketing. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemate and I promise to prioritize my job and finish 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.